Senator, so there's been a lot of talk about moderate Democrats being the ones to negotiate this health care deal. Is that where all this is headed?
Well, I've been offering from day one, and I understood they had to do their thing and see if they could hold for their base and produce for their base. That's not going to work because the product or the replacement for a product that needs to be repaired is not there that basically gives any comfort to anybody. It leaves a lot of people behind, so why not work with those of us who have worked before, trying to forge the middle and find a compromise?
So you want to bring together the governors and
the former governors. When you look at those of us in the Senate right now that were former governors, we've had to make deals. We had to sit down and work and look at each side objectively, try to find a pathway forward. We understand also the challenges that the states have because we were there working through budgets. We would be great to bring some ideas on how we could come together on some things. No one's asked us to do it. I think the governors, former governors in the Senate, there's 11 of us. It's about evenly matched. Democrats and Republicans could sit down, talk to Lamar Alexander before Mike Rounds, John Hoeven. You've got Tim Kaine, Mark Warner, Maggie Hassan. You've got a lot of good people, Angus King being the independent. So I think we could sit down and say, okay, can we find the things that we can agree on that we should start this? How do you fix the private markets? How do you save the private markets?
And let me just ask you a quick follow-up. Regardless of whether or not the Republicans take up Majority Leader's efforts to repeal Obamacare, are you still suggesting that you guys?
Most certainly. I don't think that'll be successful. I don't think any way that you can tell people now that, hey, we've tried everything, so we're going to go ahead and repeal it. But in 2 years, we'll really have something great. They have tried with every ounce of effort they have in them just to get 50 votes, and they put things on the table that aren't acceptable to the American public, nor to West Virginians. That's where we stand. So if that's failed, let's get together.